Welcome to another meeting dedicated to executive automats, an MS Dynamics AX tool brought to you by XPLUS S.A. This time we'll be talking about Demonstration and Documentation Assistant, which is intended for two things. Firstly, for presenting how the system works, and secondly, for producing relevant and up-to-date documentation that can be treated as a raw handbook. But first things first, so let's start with the function that serves the purpose of demonstrating how things should be done. Rightio, on the All Scripts form we'll choose the script we're after and we'll run it in our Demonstration and Documentation Assistant mode. As you can see, the system has now started our script, and its particular steps are being carried out one by one. What is so special about this mode are dialog bubbles containing important comments that explain what's going on the screen. In other words, what action the system's currently performing. It's like watching a film except for the fact that you can stop at any time and suddenly become its director. Take control of its plot and take it from there wherever you want. Pretty cool, huh? Documentation generated as a result of running a script recorded this way comes in a well-recognized format, that is to say MS Word. What is more, there is no need to be worried about the necessity of running a script every single time you find yourself in need of appropriate documentation. You can always produce it spontaneously if need be. Why don't we try to see how that works? We'll go back to our script first, but this time we'll open the log window and select the most recent script execution. Next, here at the top, we have the Generate Documentation button, so exactly what we want. Click OK. And here we go. The system provides us with a beautiful Word document that contains everything related to the given script execution. So we've got our menu paths, print screens, instructions, and comments. Now isn't it a perfect raw handbook? To recap shortly, alongside other ways of using executive automats, they are a great tool for showing how to handle solution functions. Not only do they provide system users with instructing films, but they also produce relevant documentation that can serve a wider purpose, namely as a raw handbook. Most importantly, wait for it, it's always up to date as system modifications do not affect it. Executive automats assure quality through in-depth MS Dynamics AX tests. They speed up skills development processes, support solving technical issues and facilitate everyday work by making crucial testing, training, monitoring and administrative tasks highly automated. EA record operations carried out while the users handle solution functions. User actions captured this way are stored as scripts. These can be bound into scenarios and played back in a semi-intelligent way as required. Scripts are maintained in knowledge base alongside solution functions corresponding with process steps. This constitutes a solid base for advanced automation. EA offer 12 modes of running scripts to address challenges presented by different stages of development cycle. XPLUS S.A thanks you for attention. We hope you've enjoyed this video and we'd like to invite you to browse through other resources regarding executive automats, or perhaps the whole Dynamics Automated family that we've prepared for you and made available on our YouTube channel for your convenience. Should you have any concerns or questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Our contact details can be found at the end of this video as well as in its description below.